Hi, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to use the rotate command and the align command in Autocad. To demonstrate them, I'm going to draw a couple of rectangles. And a couple of lines. First, the rotate command can be accessed with the shortcut key RO, enter. That will allow you to first select any objects you want to rotate. Let's say I want to rotate all three of these squares, so select all three at once. Hit enter when you're done selecting. Specify a base point to choose the center point of rotation. I'm going to choose this corner as a base point, and you can see I have ortho mode on. I'm going to toggle it off with F8. You can also toggle it on and off down here in this button. With ortho mode off, you can rotate at any angle. With ortho mode on, you can only rotate it in 90-degree increments. But this allows you to rotate any object or any group of objects. Let's undo that and try the align command, which has some similar applications, but it's a little bit different. Let's say that I want to rotate this square so that one of its sides is parallel to this line. That would be pretty hard to do, pretty impossible to do just by eyeballing it. So I cannot use the rotate command as easily. A quicker, faster way to do it is to use the align command. Align, A-L, enter, will ask me to select an object, enter when you have selected it, and then give it a first source point. So this corner of the square is my first source point. Now, when you click it, it wants a first destination point. I'm going to say that corner needs to be aligned with this end of the line. You can really choose anywhere on this line, anywhere you want. Now it wants, after you click, it wants a second source point. So I'm going to say the opposite corner, this other corner of the square, needs to be aligned with this other side of this line. Anywhere on this side is fine. Click. It will keep asking for source points, but I only need 2 source points to align this shape. So once you're ready with 2, hit enter to continue. It asks whether I want to scale my square to fit the 2 points on the line that I indicated. I don't want it to change the size, so I'm going to say no. So no is the default option, so I can just hit enter. And now it has moved this to the first source point that I clicked, but it has also rotated it to perfectly align it with that line. I can try this again using a group of objects. A, L, actually let's not do multiple objects, let's do just one again, but this time we are going to scale it. So go back to the align command, AL, select your object, hit enter. First source point, I'm going to make it this one, this corner. And the first destination point, so that point is going to become this end of this line. Click to set. Now it wants to know the second source point. The second source point is going to be this corner of the square. That's going to go to this destination point, click enter. I don't need a third source point, so I'm going to hit enter to continue. And it wants to know whether I want to scale it based on these alignment points. This time I'm going to say yes. You can click yes down here, or you can type Y and enter. And you can see now it has rotated the square to match the alignment points I gave it, and it has resized it. It has enlarged the square to scale it up so that this side of the square now matches the line. I hope these two tools help you in your drawing.